Investing in a custom gaming PC in 2024 is absolutely going to be the way to go. When it comes to the performance, the pricing, and the build quality, these are all going to be at an absolute all-time high if you go with a custom gaming computer. It gives you easy access, it's ready to use right as soon as you have it, and it makes it a really, really easy purchase process. Not convinced yet? Here are the top 5 reasons why we think it's a great idea in 2024 to invest in a custom-built gaming PC. So reason number 1 is performance. Any custom-built gaming computer will outperform an off-the-shelf model. With top-name brand components, you can ensure that your PC will handle games with ease. This means you'll enjoy faster load times, a smoother gaming experience, and overall better graphics. Additionally, a custom-built computer can allow your computer to be upgraded much more easily and at a much more price-effective point down the road if you choose to upgrade your PC. This is called future-proofing, and we made a more in-depth video about that right here that you can click on in the top right-hand corner of the screen or in the description down below. Reason number 2 is your computer's customization. With a custom-built gaming PC, you can choose every part that goes into your machine, from the motherboard to the RAM to the graphics card, and you can customize it and tweak it to best fit your budget. Whether you want a computer that's optimized for max speed, max storage, or max performance in gaming, absolutely easy. You can get that out of a custom-built PC. For example, you need an editing computer? Bam! You build a custom-built PC specifically for editing, and Premiere Pro runs at a whopping 180 frames a second, because it's Premiere Pro. In case you can't tell, I'm not a fan of Premiere Pro. Want to game in 4K ultra settings? Bang! You have a bajillion frames a second in Minecraft, because that game can run at ridiculously high speeds. Handpicking your own parts is a huge reason why we recommend building a custom gaming PC, just because you get to decide exactly what goes into your machine rather than getting a list and you're just like, this is what you have to deal with. Reason number 3 is reliability. A few years back, I actually had a personal problem with this. I bought a PC from a fairly large PC retailer, and right after the warranty on my hard drive was up, guess what failed? My hard drive. It failed completely. Just stopped working one day. Couldn't get it to restart working at all. And that's because a lot of bigger PC manufacturers and large-scale distribution, they use the absolute cheapest parts that they can when building your PC. With a custom-built gaming PC, you can make sure that you're designing a PC that is built to last for years. Now, obviously, a part could still fail, but with a custom PC, it's a lot easier to get a replacement part for that, a lot of times just with Amazon 2-day free shipping, and bada boom, bada bing. Your PC is completely fixed and up and running in 2 days. When my PC failed a few years back, I had to wait weeks to hear back from customer support. And that brings me to my next reason number 4, why you should invest in a custom-built gaming PC, and that is customer service. When you buy a custom-built gaming computer, you're not just buying a machine. You're quite literally buying a relationship with that company, because I don't know if you've checked the prices recently, PCs aren't exactly cheap. Even what's considered a lower-end PC often costs hundreds of dollars, and that's a really, really big investment. So, if you're buying a relationship with a crap company that's not going to treat you right, that's not going to accept your warranties, that's going to take forever to get back with you, do you really want to be doing business with that company? Here at Serious Power PC, we pride ourselves on having the absolute best customer service in the industry. Something's wrong with your PC? Give us a call, message us over on our website at seriouspowerpc.com, or just email us and we'll get back to you as soon as we possibly can regarding, whatever's going on. We'll try to help you fix it and get you back up and running as quickly as possible. We're here for you, and we're committed to ensuring your satisfaction with your, frankly, investment. So if you get your PC and the Postal Service has chunked it against a wall, because it happens more than you would like to know, then just give us a call or message us. However you want to contact us, we have multiple ways that we are able to be reached out to. However you want to message us or let us know that something's wrong, please let us know and we'll do everything in our power to resolve it. We want you, the consumer, to have a great relationship with us. And finally, reason number 5 for investing in a custom gaming PC is the cost of the machine. Believe it or not, a custom gaming PC may cost you a little bit more right now, but in terms of upgradability down the road, you're looking at saving hundreds of dollars, especially if you go with some newer platforms. Again, that's kind of delving into future-proofing, and if you want to check out that video, I'd recommend giving it a watch at the link in the description down below. Just go ahead, give it a watch. We talk about future-proofing more in depth and how it can save you hundreds of dollars down the line. But while sometimes, don't get me wrong, it can be more cheap to go ahead and just buy a pre-built. Usually, if you're buying a pre-built, you're getting manufacturer-specific parts that you can only get from one company, and they're going to charge you an arm and a leg, and usually they make it really, really hard to upgrade. They either give you just enough wattage, like, for example, that PC I was talking about earlier with the hard drive issues. I, at one point, wanted to put a better graphics card in it, but it probably would have cost me more than the actual PC itself just to put a new graphics card in it. So, while you may be paying ever so slightly more now, you can save hundreds of dollars down the road if you decide to upgrade by buying a custom-built gaming PC. So to wrap things up, if you're serious about gaming or you're serious about having the best PC experience possible, then check us out over at SeriousPowerPC.com. Hit us up with a message, if you have questions, if you're thinking, well, what's the best option for me? What should I go with? Let us know. We're here for you, and we're happy to help. If you don't want to message us there, you can always drop a comment in the comment section down below. I try to reply to comments as quickly as I possibly can, and we'll try to provide you with the best information and the most up-to-date information that we can. So hit us with any questions you may have. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Timmy, here with Serious Power PC, and every single week we're making one of these videos. So if you want to check out next week's video, go ahead, subscribe, hit that bell so that you're notified as soon as we upload. Also, drop a like if you want to see more listicle type videos like these. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.